Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make prawn linguine. This is a super simple pasta dish to make either as a midweek meal or a fancy dinner party. People say that garlic and prawns are a perfect match, but actually I think that it's actually the butter and the prawns with a hint of garlic that is really good in this dish. It actually really works well on a pizza too. I like linguine, but you can actually cook it with any pasta that you want, something that if your family prefers something different, be my guest. This is super simple, so let's get cooking.
Fill a large pot with water, add a decent amount of salt and put it on your stovetop to bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, then add your pasta and cook it according to the packet instructions. Every now and again, I just give the pasta a little stir to stop it from sticking together. Once it's done, drain it into a colander and then set it aside. Now it's on to cooking the prawns. In a large pot, on a high heat, add your oil, followed by the prawns. Now dump in the garlic and the chilli and give it a good stir. Then add the butter and the white wine. Once that's come to a simmer, it's now time to add in your pasta and stir all of that goodness through. Then for a pop of green and a peppery taste, add the rocket. Then lighten it up with a good squeeze of lemon. Give it a little taste test and add some salt and pepper if you think it's needed. Now it's time to plate up and get that pasta and the beautiful prawns onto your plate.
Well, it's taste test time and I'm pretty excited to be digging into this prawn pasta because I am starving. So here we go. A delicious plate of goodness, and that butter and the prawns just work so well together with the beautiful hint of garlic. I really hope you give this one a go and I really hope you enjoy.